you studying at home? Very good. So what lesson we have studied in the previous class? Raju and the money tree. So now let us recall the part 1 summary. Okay. See here. Raju lived with his mother. Very lazy and dreaming. So Raju is a boy. He lives with his old mother in a village. Raju is a lazy boy. He doesn't do any work and he always dreaming of becoming rich. Left the home, met a wise man. He gave seeds. So he leaves the home to search the tree which gives money. So he met a wise man. Wise man means an intelligent man. Okay, so that wise man gives seeds to Raju. Flowers came on the tree. He paid to a handsome price. So after getting the seeds from the wise man, what did he do? He planted them in his garden and that seeds started to grow and became a big tree. So from the tree he got flowers and fruits. Next day a merchant came and he bought all the flowers and the fruits and instead of them he paid a handsome price to Raju. Raju became rich, disaster came. Rats ate all the money. So after that Raju became a rich man and the disaster came and at once the rats ate all the money. Shall we move on to the part 2? Wise man. So the rats ate all your hard-earned money, right? The wise man is asking to Raju, you worked very hard to earn the money, but the rats ate all of the money. Raju, yes, my only mistake was that I didn't kill the rats before keeping my money in the box. Had I done that, I would not have lost my money. So Raju is saying that it's all only my mistake. I didn't kill the rats before keeping the money inside the box. If I have done that, I wouldn't have lost the money. It's all my fault only. Wise man, you may kill rats, but what about the thief taking all of your savings? It is always risky to keep all your savings at home. So the wise man asked, there are many possibilities for the thief to come to your house and he might take all the money. So what will you do at that situation? It will always risky. See here the meaning of risky is not safe. So the wise man says that it is not safe to keep all the money inside your house. Raju, but what else can I do? There is no other place to keep all my savings safely. So Raju says that I don't have any other idea to keep my money in a safe place. Wise man, very simple. Keep all your savings in a bank. Raju, bank? What is a bank? So the wise man suggests an idea to Raju to keep all the money in a bank. But Raju doesn't know what does bank mean. So he is asking to him, what does a bank mean? Wise man, there are many banks in our country. One such is in our neighboring village as well. Why don't you find out? It is near the school. So the wise man is replying, there are many banks in all over the country. Such a bank is in our neighboring village as well. So what is the meaning of neighboring? Next to or very closer. Okay, so we have a bank in our neighboring village. Why don't you find out? It is near our school. So that bank is near our school. The wise man is suggesting an idea to Raju. Raju, oh, that yellow building, I have seen it. What do they do there? So the Raju remembers that, yeah, I remember the building is in yellow color. So what they will do in the bank? So Raju is asking to the wise man. Okay, shall we read this? Wise man. So the rats ate all your money, right? Raju, yes. Wise man, it is always risky to keep all the savings in home. Raju, but what else can I do? Wise man, very simple. Keep all your savings in bank. Raju, bank? What is a bank? Wise man, there are many banks in our country. One such bank is our neighboring village. It is near our school. Raju, oh, that yellow building. I have seen it. What do they do there? So the meaning of risky is not safe. The wise man says that inside a bank there are people at the counters. You can ask them how to deposit money for safekeeping. A bank is a place where you can safely keep your money. So he says that there are many persons working in the bank. So they will be sitting in a separate counters. You can ask them how to deposit money for safekeeping. Look at here. The meaning of deposit is to put money into an account. To put money into an account. The meaning of safekeeping is keeping something in a safe place. Okay, keeping something in a safe place. So he says that there will be many persons sitting in a separate counter. You can go and ask them how to deposit money in a safest way. People at the bank keep a record of how much money you have. So they will have a record of how much money you have in the bank. What is meant by record? Record means it is of recording the account information. Okay, they will have the record of the account information of how much we deposit or withdrawing money from the bank. If you want to open an account, they will give you account opening forms. If you can't read or write, they will help you in filling up the forms. So he also says that if you want to open a new account, the persons in the back will issue you an account opening form. Through that you can able to open the account. So if you can't able to read and write, so they will help you. After you open an account, you can keep your money in the bank. So after opening an account, what you may do? You can able to keep the money in the safest place. Raju, but what if I want money the next day? So he asked questions to the wise man. If I need money the next day, what should I do? Wise man, in that case, you can always go to the bank the next day and withdraw the money. The bank always maintains an account of how much money you are withdrawing or depositing. All the details will be entered in the passbook. So he says that if you need money, you can go whenever you want. So you can go to the bank and you can deposit or withdraw the money. All the details will be entered in the passbook. Look at here. The meaning of passbook is a small book containing record of the money. So the money that you are depositing or withdrawing will be recorded will be entered in the passbook. Raju, but tell me how safe is my money in a bank? So he is asking, I want to know how my money will be safe in the bank. Wise man, bank deposits are very safe. Government keeps a check on that. So the wise man said, so if you keep money in the bank, it will be very safe. So the government will always come and check the records. Also, your money does not remain idle in the bank. It keeps growing because you get interest on it. So what is meant by interest? Interest means it is the charge of borrowing money. Okay, he says that your interest will also grow if you have money in your bank. Raju, how are banks able to do that? Have they found some trees on which money actually grows? So he asked questions to the wise man. Does the bank have a tree that gives money to wells? Wise man, it is very simple. Banks lend you money to people who want money for some reason. They charge interest for this money. They keep some of the interest and give you some of it. So the wise man says that if you need money in case of emergency, they will lend you the money. So for that you have to pay interest. They keep some of the interest and give you some of it. So after you repaying, they get back the interest and they will give some of the interest to you. Raju, that's good. So my money will be safe and will get interest also. So now he says that yeah, I'm very happy that you have suggested me an idea. So my money will be very safe in the bank. Now tell me one more thing. I recently heard about my friend taking a loan for purchasing a tractor. Will I able to do the same? So he is asking to the wise man that my friend also got a loan to buy a tractor. Can I able to get a loan from the bank? Can I also able to do the same? Wise man, You surely can. Once you earn money, you can repay the loan and keep the extra money in the bank. So the wise man says that you can also able to get the loan from the bank. So once you earn, what you have to do? You have to repay the loan back. And if you have extra money, you can able to keep in the bank itself. Raju, one more question. Can my mother also open a bank account? So Raju asked one more question. So can my mother also able to open an account? Wise man. Yes, a separate account can be opened in her name. She can also deposit her own money or you can transfer money from your account to her. The wise man replies that, yeah, of course your mother can also able to open an account. So she can also deposit in her own account or you can transfer your money to your mother's account. You must choose a person for whom you would like to leave the money if something unfortunate were happened to either of you. So what does he say is, he says to have a nominee. If something happens to you, a person may get the money instead of you. So you have to choose as a person in the name of nominee. Raju, I really thank God for the day I first met you. You have told me the secret of the tree on which money grows and how to keep it safe. So he says that I really want to thank God for meeting you. You have told me the secret of how to become rich. I will take my mother and go to the bank tomorrow to open an account. And he also says that tomorrow I will go back with my mother to open an account for both of us. Narrator. Raju and his mother made a visit to the bank the very next day. So at last Raju and his mother went to the bank the next day. Okay, have you understood this story, student? Okay. Shall we read from first? Wise man. So the rats ate all your hard-earned money, right? Raju. Yes. My only mistake was that I didn't kill the rats before keeping my money in the box. Had I done that, I would not have lost my money. Wise man, you may kill rats, but what about the thief taking away all your savings? It is always risky to keep all your savings at home. So he says that it is very risky to have money inside the house. Raju, but what else can I do? There is no other place to keep all my savings safely. Wise man, very simple. Keep all your savings in a bank. So the wise man is suggesting an idea to keep all the money inside the bank. Raju, bank? What is a bank? Wise man, there are many banks in our country. One such bank is our neighboring village as well. Why don't you find out? It is near the school. Raju, oh, that yellow building? I have seen it. What do they do there? Wise man, inside a bank there are many people at the counters. You can ask them how to deposit money for safekeeping. A bank is a place where you can safely keep your money. Raju, but what if I want money the next day? So the wise man is replying, if you want the money the next day, you can go and get it. Raju, tell me how safe is my money in the bank? Further the wise man replies, bank deposits are very safe. That's good. So my money will be safe and will earn interest also. Now tell me one more thing. I recently heard about my friend taking a loan for purchasing a tractor. Will I able to do the same? Wise man, you surely can. Once you earn money, what you have to do? You have to repay the loan and keep the extra money in the bank itself. Raju, one more question. Can my mother also open a bank account? Yes, a separate account can be opened in her name. She can deposit her own money or you can transfer your money from your mother's account. I really thank God for the day I first met you. You have told me the secret of the tree on which money grows and how to keep it safe. Okay, shall we read the sentence once again? Deposit, to put money into an account. Deposit, to put money into an account. Safekeeping, keeping something in a safe place. Safekeeping, keeping something in a safe place. Passbook, a small book containing record of the money. Passbook, a small book containing record of the money. So this is for your home assignment, students. Write the past tense and the question answer in your class work note. Write the past tense and the question answer in your class work note. See you in the next class. Thank you, students.